In my most recent flip, I changed flat cabinets to shaker style with a quick update with some MDF strips. So the cabinets were in really good shape. They were solid wood. I decided to update them, and all it took was a sheet of MDF. This is, I believe, a 1/4 inch tall. And I had bought a couple new cabinets that I wanted to match. So the new cabinets, I just measured what they looked like, and then I set the table saw to cut strips to match the other cabinets. And the rest of the video I have for you in another segment, but I can't wait to show you the results. And here we go.
So I'm working on refinishing the kitchen cabinets to go from a flat door to a shaker style. So I cut 2-inch strips, actually I think they're 2.5 inch strips of MDF and glued them on. And then once that was all dry, I filled in the cracks, including the edges, which took quite some time to fill all that in. Now I'm currently sanding that down so I can get ready to paint. I did put little nails in these two, and some of them I had to go back and pound down again. So you can see my progress here. I did a dry run of a couple cabinets to see if the color was okay, so you can see how they're kind of shaping up. So this was instead of buying new cabinets, since the other ones are all hardwood. I was hoping to keep some of it. I'll show you all when it's done.